Hello po, this is Vince. What I have here po is a lovely piece from Omega. It is an Omega DeVille. And just very quickly po, DeVille is Omega's line po for their dress watches, no? As opposed to their sportier watches from the Seamaster and Speedmaster lines. So ito po, this one is DeVille. Its reference number is 191.0132, no? And it's a model that's produced in the 1980s. And as you can see, its shape is elliptical po, no? I think it borrows heavily, no, from the iconic Patek Philippe Ellipse, golden ellipse perhaps, and the Universal Geneva white shadow. As you can see, no? Parang elliptical, parang elongated circle or an oblong shape. That is called an ellipse, which is a very distinctive look. Like I said po, no, it's a dressier line by Omega, so the design elements are simple po, no? Gold dial, simple applied indices, no? Parang stick or bar, but they are nicely polished, so they reflect the light nicely naman, no? The hands are only the hours and minutes. Simple stick hands lang naman po. Makes it a very simple watch. Apologies po, no? That's my that's my cat meowing in the background. Anyway po, I have to keep on going. Anyway, where was I? Yeah, the design po, no? Okay. Elliptical yung shape. And if you search the reference number, no, which is 191.0132, you will see images on Google, no, with this watch with leather straps, no. Perhaps that's what the watch came with. I happened to acquire this one in this metal bracelet, no, Milanese style, Milanese strap, no. Milanese as in the city of Milan in Italy. Perhaps this style, no, is attributed to them. There's a crisscross design. And what's also fortunate with this particular strap, no, is Omega signed on the clasp, no. There's the Omega logo. So honestly, I don't know where the previous owner acquired this strap. But as you can see, it's an Omega signed. Omega signed po yung clasp. And it fits well with the watch, no? It's only gold plated yata, no? It's a stainless steel bracelet, as you can see. Stainless steel on this side, but on this side po, no, it's very elegant, no? Very elegantly gold. Before I Alright, since I mentioned it, no, I'll just show it on my wrist, but I know that I have more to showcase. Alright, so this is how this watch with its Milanese mesh strap, no, looks on my wrist. Let me zoom out for a bit. And please give me a bit of time. It's a bit fiddly with gloves. Alright, that wasn't too much trouble. So this is how the watch looks like on my wrist. Very elegant, no? Very bougie. Very old money look. So the case is around the 30 millimeters, no? Not around, I think it's 30 millimeters exactly, no? Across. And the case, I think, is about 5 or 6 millimeters thick, I believe. Alright, so this is a men's size watch, but 30 millimeters, no, is not too big for a woman's wrist. So I'll show it on the lady wrist mannequin, how it might look on lady's wrist, since modern women, excuse me, the trend lately, no, for women, also larger dials. Fits well on a woman's wrist din. Excuse me. All right. Now, I did mention I have other things pa to showcase about the watch. So let me put my gloves on again because, you know, we have to look professional. All right. So I want to showcase the movement, no? The mechanism behind the setting of the time of this watch, no? It is a 1365 movement, no? And as you can see, the watch, sorry, let me zoom in again. The watch has no crown. Oh, where's the little knob, no? The knob that you pull out to set the time. Where is it? So wala po siyang knob, but instead it has a button. The camera, yes, there we go. That little pin is a button, which you must press to set the time. With a tool like this is a tool for replacing watch straps, no? On the other end is a fork, parang fork. I can get it to focus there. But nonetheless, we need the side with a pin. But any rigid object with this size would work. So, how do we set the time? Give me a sec. No. Okay. Watch the minute hand closely, no? As I press the button. So you press the button once to move the minute hand by one position, okay? Let me attempt it. There. Did you see the minute hand move? Let's do it again. No, need to make it firmer. There, okay? Did you see it? Now I'm going to do it multiple times. Yun po, no? So you press the button, no, once to move the time by 1 minute forward. Okay, but how do you set the R? That would be tedious, no? If you have to press it 60 times to move 1 R. So okay, you hold. This is what you do, no? You hold the pin. You hold your tool in place in the button. So move it forward by 1 R. Maybe about 3 or 4 seconds. So right? 1, 2, 3. There. You see it? Minute hand made a full rotation. Let me get my recording, my audio recording, so you can hear the gears perhaps. Let me do that again. I wonder if my audio recording picked up the sound of the gears moving. Now, if you want to move it like multiple R's, not just an R at a time, you can actually just hold the button, no? So for example, right now the time is 8:30. So let's move the R by 8 R's. Okay, just continue to hold the button as the hands move till you reach your desired time. All right, I'm off by an R. Hold on. No, wait. I think I moved forward too much, but anyway, you get the gist, no? That's how you adjust this 1365 movement by Omega with a push button. Quite unique, no? Remember that this watch is made in the 1980s. And I also read, no, that the push button movement consumes less battery compared to other movements. So that's a bonus. Well, it's a bit of a quaint, quirky design, no, that you need to have a tool. Nonetheless, it's an interesting part of this watch. Adds to the quirkiness, vintage vibes. So if you like that, yeah. That's all lang naman po. This was just a showcase of this watch. No, just to quickly showcase the other bits of the watch, I can show the imperfections. No? So there's a discoloration here on the bracelet. On the clasp, there is a discoloration. I don't know what it's called, patina, or there's a purplish tinge on the corner there. There is a very minute scratch under the Omega logo on the crystal. It's a mineral crystal. I wonder if I can get it to show on the camera. Very tiny scratch lang naman. And there are a few spots here on the right side of the dial near the 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock indices. Other than that, the watch is a very beautiful piece. Nga naman pa na. Thank you for watching this showcase. I think it's a very lovely watch with a unique strap. Nga naman po, if you have any questions or queries, just send me a message. Thank you. Sorry for the long video. For my noisy cats.